Hey, it's Laura, your wine girl. Today I want to talk to you about this amazing gift set from Scout and Cellar. It is a sangria kit. Who knew? Love it. So we have the Oso Pardo wine, which is 100% Tempranillo grapes from Spain. It's amazing. And my suggestion is to get the kit and then buy yourself an extra bottle of wine. Because what happened to me, I fully intended on making this kit, and then I opened up the wine, and here we are, I'm like halfway done with it. And I didn't even open up the bag. So what you're gonna do is you're going to buy 2 bottles of wine and 1 kit. And then, so you're going to mix these together. Now, you can use this 1 serving. You can make the whole batch, or you can make it a slushy or a simple syrup, and this is awesome. This from Lush, this sangria kit is so adorable. It's a great gift for anyone because it's totally vegan, there's no nuts, there's no GMOs, it's all organic stuff, just like Scout and Cellar, pretty much clean crafted, all organic, no pesticides, no GMOs ever. So this is a perfect pair. And if you're just looking for something different, refreshing, or the perfect gift for someone who loves wine or likes a little summer drink, this is it. And again, it's scoutandcellar.com/yourwinegirl, SCOUTANDCELLAR.com/yourwinegirl. So get your sangria on.